might be better on my own. I hate you blowing up my phone. I wish I never met you back. Sometimes it be like that, but I'm not myself the night you're gone. There ain't no way of moving on. I'm not afraid to need you back. Sometimes it be like that. Hey everyone, Boys Guitar Lessons, thanks for tuning in. I want to ask you to please hit subscribe if you enjoy this video, and the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Also, if you think this video is useful to other people, please hit the like button because it'll show up for more people if you do that, okay? Also, it just warms my little heart, okay, if you hit like. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. So let's get into it. So this is how to play Be Like That by Kane Brown and Sway Lee and Khalid and all that stuff. All right, so it's a very easy song to play. I have a harder time playing it, doing the strumming pattern that they're doing in the song, and singing it at the same time. And I like to only do it, teach you guys stuff that you can sing and play at the same time. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to do it that way. Okay, just like an acoustic way. So you're going to need 4 chords. Okay, it's in standard tuning and there's no capo. You're going to do D. All right. And then you're going to do A. All right. Then you're going to do B minor. And then you're going to do G. I think it's easier if you do this G because then you switch to D again. So you just do D, A, B minor, G, okay? If you have other requests you want to learn, by the way, let me know in the comments. So what you're going to do is, all right, so you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So just that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so the way you do it, you start it is you do that once. You do D, A, B minor, G, once with no lyrics, and then you go into the chorus is how they start the song. Okay, so you're gonna do. I'm going to show you where it matches up for the chorus and then the first verse, and then I'll let you guys figure out the rest of it, okay? So it's going to be, I might be, so you do D on I, or I, you start doing D right before you say I might be better, and notice too, I'm strumming the bottom 4 strings as much as I can the bottom 3, all right, because it sounds a little bit better. This song, like they're doing it like a reggae thing. I'm not showing you how to do that, but you're just doing those ones more. All right. It's fine if you do the other ones a little bit, but it sounds better, I think, for the song if you do it like that, okay? So you're just going to do D right before I might be better on my own. Okay, own is where you do A. Own, I hate you blowing up my phone. Okay, phone, like the end of phone, you're going to do B minor. I wish I never met your A word, okay, because I don't really curse. So what you're going to do is you're going to do G on that word, okay, on the ASS word, okay? You're going to do G. Sometimes it be like that, okay? So then after that, like at the end of it, you do G, D. Okay, then you're going to start over. But I'm not myself the nights you're gone. Gone is A. Gone, there ain't no way moving on. On is B minor. On, I'm not afraid to need you bad. Okay, bad is G, bad. Sometimes it be like that. Okay, so it's a little bit hard because of like he just like immediately transitions into the first verse. That we both want to love, we both want to fight, we both want to argue until we're both right. Okay, so he just goes right into it. So what you could do is just play it through one more time or something. Okay, or you could do really quick that and then say that we both want to love, we both want to fight, we both want to argue. Okay, so you could do that. I'm going to show you how to do the verse, where the chords go. So you're going to do D, we both want to love, we both want to fight, a slide. Sorry, so you do D for both those lines, okay? Slide, we both want to argue. So the verse, A doesn't come in on the first verse until the word argue, which is easy because argue starts with A. So you're going to do argue until we're both right, and you want to hug. Okay, hug is B minor. Hug, I kiss you goodnight, maybe we're both is G, both just out of our mind. Okay, then you do D on U. Throw tantrums while I'm twisting up. Okay, up is A. Up, no medicine is fixing us. Okay, us is B minor. Us, I can't tell you why. Let's see, can't tell you why, but you tell you what. What is G? What? You got me thinking. Then you go back to D. I might be better on my own. I hate you blowing up my phone. And what I would do is, because in this song, if you're playing it acoustically, it's just, they do the same thing on the guitar the entire time. There's like no variation really. So what I would do is those notes for like the verses mainly, and then for the chorus, sorry, those strings for the verses, and then for the chorus, do all of them. I might be better on my own. There ain't no way going on. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. See how it's just like louder? That way it'll give you like a little bit of variation in the song that's just very simple. Alright, so anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. That's the whole song. So it's been a lot of fun. Request more songs you want to learn in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.